Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my video today. Welcome to today's video. Today's video, we're going to talk about this company called Heal. Heal was a brand new company that just came out mainly about 3 or 4 weeks ago. And I want to go ahead and give you the frequently asked questions. I want to talk about what is Heal and how it can help you today. If this is your first time here at this channel, hit the red subscribe button and don't hit that bell notification when I do videos just like this. I do videos every single day and I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now you know what time it is, and it's time to go ahead and tell you about what is Heal and the frequently asked questions about this brand new company that just came out not that long ago. Now right on this page here, I have a frequently asked question. It's kind of a commonly questions that have been asked because a lot of people have been asking me questions. What is Heal? I saw your video yesterday. You did a company review over Discover Heal. You told me to watch this, and I did a complete overview pretty much in terms of my review over the company Discover Heal. Don't forget to watch that video. It's called Discover Heal, my review. Watch this. That's basically what it is. So on your page here, I'm going to go over the frequently asked questions right before you join this company. I want you to know exactly what you're getting and exactly, what does it mean to be part of this Heal effect. So the first one here, the most common question here, what is the goal or purpose of Heal? What is it all about? Well, if you can check it out right here, is Heal Worldwide was created with the goal of positively impacting lives through content, community, and commerce. Many programs and businesses exist that are lacking in one or most of these elements, leaving marketers stuck, confused, or unsuccessful no matter how hard they try. I can definitely relate to that. I'm sure you can as well. The products may be amazing, but the community element is missing or unsupportive. Heal is designed to bridge those gaps and provide a total transformation experience, allowing every member to share top-of-the-line health products, superior success, and personal development training, genuinely drive through, within a caring and uplifting community. So that is the purpose of basically Heal and what it's all about. And it's basically saying, how do you activate my VIP status? Right below this video, I do have a link for you to go ahead and sign up and join Heal, and you can check out everything it's all about. This is basically a frequently asked questions, pretty much if you've already signed already, or if you're interested in signing with this company. I'm basically breaking it down right here. Do you accept Bitcoin? They do accept Bitcoin. Whether it be other offices in countries, can I join from another country? I like the fact that they're established in 151 countries. So basically, if you're not in the US or Europe or Canada, there's actually well-established global presence in 151 countries and counting. So it's basically worldwide, just like it said, Heal Worldwide. If our other team members don't use Facebook, can they still benefit? Yes, they still can. They can, because the website is accessible anywhere online. That's awesome. That's online. This was all about, man, social media, online, and connecting with others. So it's good that if your team members are not, if they don't have a Facebook account or don't like Facebook. How do I get help with a question or issue? Now, this is an important question here. You send it a ticket or an email to support@healworldwide.com. Put a briefly statement in there, what you're asking about, and the support team will get right back to you. So that's pretty much simple to that. The Heal administration support team are there to work with you and every one of us if we have any questions or concern. Support@healworldwide.com. What about the income disclaimer and health claims in the market? Yes, it definitely have income disclaimers. You definitely have that legal purposes, and definitely have Health Worldwide LLC claims as well, and it breaks it down right here. I'm not going to necessarily read all the information right here, but it's right here on this page here, but you can go ahead and learn about that. This is how you can get started. So if you're ready to get started, you can click on the link below to get started with Heal. It is an unbelievable transformation healing effect company that's definitely spreading all over the world right now, and I don't want you to miss this ripple effect right now. The compensation plan, which most people want to know, how do I get paid? Does it pay me weekly, monthly? Well, I'm going to go ahead and break it down to you right now. Is there a $49.95, a monthly or a one-time fee? What about the digital products? Yes, it is. There is a monthly fee of $49, $49.95, and yes, there is a digital products. There's a one-time fee on that. So there's digital products within Heal that you can go ahead and upgrade and purchase, and those are one-time products. I definitely recommend you go ahead and upgrading those because I don't want you to lose any type of commissions. So let's say you did not upgrade to those digital products, and then other people that you brought in that did, you will lose off on those commissions. So I don't want you to lose off any commissions, especially if you're not positioned correctly. Are there any recurring monthly commissions? Yes, there is. VIP coaching services pay out 33% monthly commissions. The digital products are one-time commissions. Pretty much we kind of talked about before. 33% monthly commissions off those VIP coaching services. How does the straight line work? I was asked this yesterday all day long. How does the straight line work? This is the main reason why I'm doing this video, because I want to show you exactly behind the scenes in terms of the frequently asked questions when you join Heal. The straight line compensation plan works just as the name says. It's a straight line, which means everyone that you introduce to Heal will be placed below you in the straight line. When any of these members decide to upgrade to VIP status or purchase any of the Heal digital products, the commission rolls up the line to the person above them, which would be you. So that's exactly how it works. It's a straight line process. The main thing about that is continue, marketing and continue getting Heal out there as well, because it's an unbelievable company. And I love what it stands for, because it stands for so many different things. Building businesses, building your health. I'm a fitness health person myself, and I like the fact it stands for that as well. And I love the fact that it stands for community aspects to it. I know I'm getting on to it, but I'm just so excited about this, and I definitely want you to be part of this community. Why am I seeing lost commissions? Now, I've seen this. Now, I actually have done this. I actually lost some commissions because I was not upgraded. I'll be honest with you. I was not upgraded yet, because this is what I was talking about earlier. You must be a paid VIP member to earn commission. So you do have to be a VIP member to go ahead and collect those commissions. Once again, right below this video or above this video or around this video, I do have the link for you to go ahead and sign up. And don't forget to become a VIP member before you can start earning commissions, right? So anyway, this is why you can lose. This is how you can lose commission. I'm only going to read some of this, but basically, you definitely want to be positioned. You want to be positioned, so you want to upgrade to make sure you don't want to lose commissions. Now check this out. When someone under you in the straight line upgrades to VIP or purchase a Heal digital product, the commission rolls up in the straight line. If you receive a lost commission email, that means you are not a paid active VIP member, or do not own the digital product for the commission is for. Which means if you sign up today for free, because it's a free account, if you sign up right now today, you're not going to be earning any commissions because you're not positioned to that VIP level. So you want to make sure, just don't sign up. Upgrade. I'm telling you, because you don't want to lose commission. It's in red. It's actually in red. I'm telling you. I've been through it. I'm doing this video to let you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. So when you join here, you definitely want to be positioned to at least VIP status, and then you want to continue going higher from there. So, and check it out. It says, but don't worry, you'll see a 24-hour countdown timer in your back office. This gives you a 24-hour grace period to upgrade to VIP and or purchase that product yourself, so you do not lose that commission. The 24-hour countdown do not apply to the 1% micro commission to 10 levels deep. So it's basically meaning when you first sign up, let's say you sign up for the free account, which is below this video, you can sign up for a free account. But there's a 24-hour countdown timer in your back office when you sign up on your account, giving you a grace period to upgrade. Go upgrade. They're telling you got 24 hours to upgrade or you're going to start losing commission, right? You don't want that at all. So you want to go ahead and level up. I'm telling you, I've been through it. I remember I signed up and I didn't upgrade fast enough and I started losing commission. So I want you to be able to do that upgrade. How will I get paid? As soon as your earnings have reached $10 or more, this is very important, so pay attention to this. As soon as your earnings have reached $10 or more, you'll receive an email instruction to set up a payment account with Pay Quicker. You will be able to keep the money in the FDIC Insurance Pay Quicker account or transfer that to your bank as you wish. There is a 75-cent transaction fee for the funds transfer. So that's very, very important to listen to this, because I was asked about this a lot yesterday. How do I get paid when I sign up to Heal? What are the requirements? What are the benefits? Well, it just said it right here. You got to have $10 or more in your account, which I don't think it'll be necessarily a problem if you embrace the Heal effect, if you promote the Heal effect, if you enjoy, helping people and reaching people. I do believe you can earn more than $10. Results are not typical, but I do believe you can go ahead and do that. And of course, there's a 75-cent transaction fee for fund transfer. And at the bottom here, at the minimum here, commission will be paid out every Friday. Every Friday there is payday. So that sounds good, right? So what are the age restrictions? Now, I had somebody ask about me this yesterday. It was an early email, and they were saying if I was 15 years old, can I join Heal? Well, if you're watching this, I want you to pay attention to this message as well. It said, what are the age restrictions for marketing Heal? Well, individuals are 18 years or older, 13 to 17 with parental consent. So that means if the parents sign off for this information with the parental consent, a 14-year-old, a 13-year-old, a 16-year-old can start marketing, promoting, and having fun with Heal. That is powerful. I mean, I don't know. I got a niece. I might need to tell her about this. I got a niece. I got a young niece. She probably need to know about this as well. This is a good idea. So if you have any kids, anything like that, they can do it, but you got to sign off for them. So just let you know. You can welcome to join Heal. It is the member's responsibility to check the guidelines in a local, state, or federal agency, which varies by location, to ensure accordance with requirements. So yes, you do have to look at your state laws and your federal agency to make sure that's okay. So what if I join as a VIP after some of my own referrals have already joined? I kind of talked about this a little bit earlier, but I'm telling you, the times that you have locked in remains attached to you forever. Once you do activate your VIP status, you'll be slipped right into the spot you have already locked in, and you'll be eligible to earn commissions on your referrals beginning with the next month and every month, as long as they remain paid VIP members. So they have to remain paid VIP members each and every single month, because that VIP is a $49.95 per month. So they have to remain as a VIP member for you to go ahead and get the commission from it. So that is with that as well. And then let's talk about the products. The products, right? They got some really good products, and they revamping their system. They're adding products all the time, and I know they're going to be adding some things that I believe that's going to help you. That's going to help us, to go ahead and better our lives each and every single day. How can I purchase either the VIP membership, the product? He'll accept several forms of payment. Your credit card, debit card, any cryptocurrency, which is new, which is starting to become out there. If you have a Bitcoin account or anything like that, yes, cryptocurrency, you can start making payments on that, which I think is really cool. Give you some versatility in terms of how you want to make payments. What happens if a person doesn't want to buy a Heal VIP membership, but just wants to purchase a digital training course or tangible product? There are no requirements to become a Heal VIP member to purchase the tangible or digital products. So there you go right there. I'm just going to read that first line there. There's not a requirement to become a VIP member to purchase the tangible or digital products. So you don't really have to be. If you have a customer interested in buying like the Big Profile Profit course, that is a course that you can go ahead and upgrade to, you will earn commission based on the sale of that product through your affiliate link, as long as you've already purchased that package. So that means you need to purchase a package to get commission from the package. Pretty much in short, exactly what that means. Your customer receive a welcome email, access to the Facebook group, that course, and everything like that. Log into the discoverheal.com to access their course. Currently, the same customer may not turn around and market that same product to others unless they first join Heal as a VIP member. So just be a member. Let's go ahead and be a member. That way you're a member and you have access to all the products and you get commission for all the products. So just become a member, upgrade to those products. That way you can start getting commission and enjoying those products as well. Can I use and earn my commission to purchase additional upgrades or products? Well, this is a tricky one. We cannot directly apply your earnings towards purchases on ends without paying you what you are owed first. So they're going to pay you what you owe first. They'll send you a payment and then you go then you may go and purchase any other products, upgrades of your desire. So they're going to pay you first, and then you can take that money and you can purchase products within Heal as well. What are the benefits of being a VIP? I was asked about this yesterday as well. What are the benefits? If I sign up, what do I get? Is it something special do I get in the mail? I was asked about this other day. Do I get something special in the mail, even though I don't have the person's, mailing address? But I'm going to go ahead and read this to you. In addition to the 7 ways to earn potential commissions, with our explosive straight line commission plan, you'll be able to receive an unparalleled community support. Now, community support is really, really on fire right now. Everyone there is really, really, respectable and together and sharing, all that positive joy, that heal effect I'm always talking about. So the community support is really good. A done-for-you website and professional marketing material to share, as well exclusive training to help skyrocket your professional and personal growth, professional goals. Yes, it does have some done-for-you systems in place in there, done-for-you website, done-for-you capture pages where you can market the products. The back office, which I'll briefly show you in a few minutes, it definitely has things in there that you will like. It has swipe copy. It definitely has sales pages, and even have merchandise that you can actually sell as well. So I really, really like that as well. You can market and sell different products as well. So that's all the frequent asked questions that I have on here. I just want to go ahead and break that down to you because I was asked about this many, many times. Yesterday I was getting emails, what is Heal? When do you get paid? How do you get paid? When can I get started? Do I have to be a member? Well, this video will break it down to you here, the frequently asked questions, and I'll have this information. I'll have this PDF below this video as well. I'll have this sheet right here below this video for you to go ahead and you can look among yourself. And I want to show you real quick of the back office. When you get signed up, it'll be a dashboard that looks just like this. So now when you go ahead and sign up, you'll get a dashboard that looks just like this. And I went over this in previous videos that I really like the dashboard because it has everything in front of you here. Total members, all you're enrolled, if you're eligible for commission, yes. And we be eligible for commission, you got to make sure that you upgrade, and you also got to make sure you complete all the requirements and basic requirements in there as well. And then your total earnings that you're being owed to, kind of like what I was saying about the frequently asked question. So I just want to briefly show you just the back office, the dashboard of the Heal effect. But this video is really about the frequently asked questions here, which is right here. And I'm going to put the information below this video, all the common questions that people usually ask. If you need any more information, you can always email me as well. I'll have my email address below this video as well, or above this video, around this video somewhere. But I'll have my information there as well. So I want you to be part of the Heal effect. Don't forget to go ahead and join today. Click on the link below to get started, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe, of course. Click on the link below to get started, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.